Dear Alba, you're already 3 months old, so it's about time you learn the classics. That's why we will dedicate the first episode of the first season to just that, bacon pancake.
Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make, bacon pancake!
Basically, we're making a pancake batter with the addition of bacon. First, turn on the oven to 225 Celsius. For the mise en place, you will need 4 eggs, 6 deciliters milk, 3 deciliters flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons of butter, which we'll use to butter our oven-safe pan, and 300 grams of bacon, which we'll cut across to make beautiful little snippets. You can't really go wrong with lingonberry and cottage cheese as a topping, so we will prepare that as well. Time to get into the pancake batter. In a mixing bowl, pour all of the milk, salt, and half the flour. Whisk it until it's a smooth criminal, and then add rest of the flour and the eggs, which I nearly forgot. Then whisk some more until you reach something like this. Now, the next step can be unforgiving, but don't stress, we'll do it together. Add the cut bacon into a cold frying pan and then put the heat to medium-high and let the bacon render most of its fat. You could add some water here to help with the rendering process, but we will keep it simple today. We're looking for the bacon to be sort of crispy, but not totally burnt, and the line between the two can be quite hard to get the first time around. Don't stress if you don't get it perfectly right. Me and your mom doesn't usually either, and it's still fine. The path to success is named failure. Please remember that whenever you try something new. Remove the pan once it's looking delicious. Now it's time to bring back the buttered pan. Pour the bacon and the rendered fat into the pan. You could also separate the rendered fat and either discard it for a healthier version or mix it into the pancake batter before pouring it over the bacon. I prefer the latter. Now pour the pancake batter into the pan together with the bacon to let the magic happen. This goes into the middle of the oven for about 20 minutes or until it looks incredible. This is what mine looked like, almost like a focaccia. Now put it on a plate and then top with whatever you think works. Be creative. As I mentioned earlier, cottage cheese and lingonberry is absolutely delicious, so we will use that here. Whatever you do, please don't skimp out on the toppings. They are absolutely essential for the dish and makes a world to the taste. Eating this is reminiscing of simpler and delicious times. The salty and crispy bacon lends itself perfectly to the beautiful pancake and makes for a truly great bite. I can't wait to make this together with you soon. With love, Dad.